Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade Little Caesars pepperoni crazy puffs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, non-stick cooking spray. I have McCormick Farmer's Market chicken and vegetable seasoning, Italian seasoning, pepperoni, pizza crust, and also low moisture mozzarella cheese. First thing we're going to do is mix our seasonings together. Okay guys, I added some of my chicken and vegetable seasoning along with the Italian seasoning in a bowl, and all you want to do is mix that together until it's well combined, and we're just going to set it to the side. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and shred my mozzarella cheese. Once you have your cheese shredded, you can go ahead and set that to the side. Okay guys, now for the pepperoni, all I did was cut them into fourths. Now you can set that to the side also. Okay guys, we're going to be using a muffin tin. So you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and open our pizza crust. And you also want to get a biscuit cutter. Once you unrolled your pizza crust, we're going to take a biscuit cutter and we're just going to cut out 6 pieces. Once you're done, you want to get your muffin tin and some non-stick cooking spray, and you want to go ahead and spray it. Now you want to take your pizza crust. We're going to sit it inside and we're just going to pull up the edges. Okay guys, once you have your pizza crust into your muffin pan, we can begin to assemble it. What you want to do is grab some mozzarella cheese and place it on the bottom. Once you're done, you can go ahead and take your pizza sauce, and guys, you can add as much as you would like. We're going to place that on top of our cheese. Next, grab you some pepperoni. You can go ahead and place that on top of your sauce. Now we're going to go back in with our mozzarella cheese. Let's go ahead and place that on top. Now we're going to take some of our seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle that right on top. Now, last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and add a piece of pepperoni on top of each of them. Now, they're ready to be placed in our oven, 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so they're out the oven. I'm going to give them a little while to cool down. They're piping hot. Okay guys, I just want to show you how nice these came out. Look nice and golden. These are still really hot. This is what the inside looks like. And guys, it does have a nice cheese pull to it. It was just too hot to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.